We are GRUPO INTELLI, a Brazilian manufacturing company recognized locally and internationally as a trustworthy supplier of products for energy generation, transmission, distribution, and data transmission markets. We have come a long way to get where we are, and each and every step taken in the last few decades is a reason to be proud. Our success started in the early 70s with Vincenzo Specicato's entrepreneurship, an Italian engineer who believed in our country's potential. Founded in 1973, Intelli began as an industry of electric terminals in northern São Paulo's state.
Eu sempre tive em minha mente que o tamanho de uma empresa é proporcional ao espaço que você dedica a ela na sua mente e na sua alma.
Although we began our business making terminals and connectors, we have consistently expanded our scope of action in the decades to follow. In the 80s, we began making copper-bonded ground rods, becoming a world leader in this market segment. In 1994, with the acquisition of Copper Steel, GRUPO INTELLI was formed, and we became one of the few companies in the world that dominated the technology to develop and produce both bimetallic copper-clad and aluminum-clad steel conductors. Recently, driven by the launch of our first aluminum casting line, we have strengthened our position to become an important player in the aluminum power cable market. Innovation, quality, and diversification are part of our DNA. Nowadays, GRUPO INTELLI is a benchmark for the production of terminals, connectors, ground rods, bimetallic conductors, and aluminum conductors. In a trajectory of constant evolution, we have grown over 200% between 2010 and 2020. With an industrial park spread over 6 plants, we have formed a team of over 1,500 collaborators responsible for a portfolio with over 10,000 items and a single goal: providing the highest quality products to keep your daily life power running. With recognized excellence attested by national and international certifications, such as ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, we work directly with the main power utilities and distributors of electrical supplies in Brazil and export to over 80 countries. This continuous and solid growth that makes us so proud is a result of our special care with each collaborator. Developing talent and offering growth opportunities so our employees remain with us is one of the main pillars of our success.
E a alma de uma empresa são as pessoas. Sem elas, é impossível ter uma empresa forte.
Socio-environmental responsibility is another key guideline in our company. Committed to the idea that progress and sustainability walk side by side, since 2016, 100% of GRUPO INTELLI's energy consumption comes exclusively from renewable energy sources. Furthermore, our group develops and supports projects that have a direct impact on the communities, encouraging local job creation and development. A legacy of tradition and innovation has brought us here. Our achievements are the base and motivation for us to keep building a history of success. Constant evolution, improvement, and seeking new challenges is what moves us daily.
Hoje, eu sei que na minha mente e na minha alma ainda tem o espaço para caber o mundo.
With feet on the ground and eyes on the future, GRUPO INTELLI advances ready to grow even more. A solid performance, responsible and sustainable, connecting present and future with quality, transparency, and safety. GRUPO INTELLI.